5 key advantages of elderberry syrup for health. 1. Elderberry syrup could help lessen flu symptoms. During the flu season in 1999-2000, one study of 60 patients gave either 15 milliliters of elderberry syrup or a placebo. The elderberry group had symptom relief from the flu 4 days sooner than the placebo group. 2. Elderberry syrup could foster a robust immune system. Increasing the production of inflammatory cytokines, a class of proteins generated by particular immune system cells, it may assist in the maintenance of a healthy immune system. 3. Elderberry syrup might lower the likelihood of developing chronic diseases. Elderberries naturally contain high levels of vitamin C, the body's most prevalent antioxidant, which may aid people with high blood pressure and prevent iron deficiency anemia in addition to lowering their chance of developing chronic diseases. 4. Elderberry syrup might have some neuroprotective advantages. The elderberry's deep black-purple hue indicates that it is a good source of anthocyanins, which have been demonstrated to protect the brain. 5. Elderberry syrup may enhance athletic performance and exercise ability. Elderberry syrup consumers may find this to be relevant as elderberry has been demonstrated to enhance exercise performance.